Good morning students. Today we are going to learn a new textual topic from the English textbook. Today we are going to learn a poem appreciation. In your paper pattern, the question is given for the 5 marks. It was given firstly for the 10 marks, but in question number 3, A section comes for poem comprehension, which comes for 5 marks, and in section B, the poem appreciation for the same poem. It means in this poem appreciation for the 5 marks, you have to solve in this pattern. Now the pattern to be followed. Poem appreciation, it means what? You have to write in the poem about the title, writer name, central idea, rhyming scheme and figure of speech. You have to explain it only in one paragraph. Now how to write it with the example? Now I am going to explain. Start pattern to be followed. Now according to this pattern, the bifurcation of the marks is given. It means title of the poem and writer's name takes 1 mark, isn't it? Then central idea for the 2 marks. Then rhyming scheme is allotted for the 1 mark, and the figure of speech, where at least you have to explain 2 or 3 figure of speech with the explanation. So this point means the 5th point comes for 1 mark, or you can say here. In this way, this question comes for the 5 marks. So whenever you are writing poem appreciation after any poem which is taught by your teacher, so you have to go through according to this pattern. This pattern is very important because according to this pattern you can write each and everything properly. So let's understand this pattern with the example. Now I am giving you one of the example from the 9th standard. This pattern is allotted for the standard 9 and for standard 10, but I want to explain you how to write it with the example. So I took one example from the textbook from the 9th standard, and here the poem appreciation of the poem Life. So according to this pattern, you can write poem appreciation of any poem. So how to write? Let's start. Again, first of all, we have to give title of the poem and writer's name. So again here we have started. This beautiful motivated poem Life is written by the well-known personality Charlotte Bronte. See, when we start, if you want to score good marks in this pattern or in this question, so you have to take efforts. Now how the efforts will be taken? You have to write, you have to start the poem writing with attractive lines. Just like I have written here, this beautiful and motivated poem. Really, this poem is really positive and motivated to the readers. This beautiful and motivated poem Life is written by the well-known personality Charlotte Bronte. Now we are moving towards the central idea. In these 2 lines we have covered the title of the poem and the writer's name or the poetess name. Here the poetess is lady poet. Now we have to start central theme. Now how to write central theme? See, here the criteria is given. For the central theme you have to write near about 2 to 3 or max to max 4 lines, but you have to write it in short and in basic form. Just I have started here. In this poem, the poet tells us to keep positiveness in every aspect of the life. There are so many obstacles and circumstances, means the difficult situation and the difficult time, or you can say hard time, which makes helpless, but we have to overcome all the situation with positiveness. To convey the reader, poet has used stuff of metaphors, simile, personification, etc. Means all points are including in this pattern or in this question. Now we are turning, see, we cannot say that tentatively I am just writing for the 2-3 line but there is one criteria that we have to follow, and for that we can be very habitual, but for that we have to initially start and we have to initially follow this format. That's why here we have followed this pattern here, and again I have used another one color to make you sure and to make you identify that how to write it. The rhyming scheme for the first stanza is irregular A B C B. Listen, when you will write rhyming scheme of any poem anywhere or wherever, you have to follow this pattern. You are not supposed to be given comma, you are not supposed to be given dash. You have to follow the format strictly. This is only A B C B. I have just given here underline to tell you how to write the pattern, and for the other it is the same. Why I have written like this? Because poem has 6 stanzas of 4 lines, and each 4 lines have different pattern. So out of the 6 stanza, first stanza is different with irregular pattern A B C B, and rest of the all 5 stanzas are having the same pattern A B A B. The poem is full of figure of speech like metaphor. Already I have given here simile, metaphor, personification, pathetic fallacy, alliteration, interrogation. There are stuff of figure of speech, but I just want to make it short. That's why I have written here only like metaphor to emphasize poet's thought about the life. Now the students, this format I have just given as an example. You can write it in your copy also, and this pattern is applied for the 9th and 10th. You can write the poem appreciation for any poem with the helping of this pattern. Students, here a very small mistake just I have written here. Here should be R properly and here E. Thank you.